Welcome back. It's time again to Ask an Attorney, and joining us now is Daryl Minton to get. And we got our questions this week from Facebook, so we're answering some Facebook questions today. Our first question is from Kathy. Our single unmarried sister with no children passed away, and she left behind a handwritten will witnessed by 2 people but not notarized or filed at the courthouse. The will leaves instructions to sell everything and that it be divided equally between her 5 siblings. Her only real property is her home, which is valued at less than $125,000. Is the will sufficient in the eyes of the court? Also, if it is, will it be sufficient for us to have the right to sell her home? A lot in that question.
A lot. A handwritten will is sufficient. It can be probated. If it's not notarized and the appropriate formalities are not followed, then it's not what's called a self-proving will. What that means is it can be probated, but they're going to have to bring at least one of those witnesses to court to actually testify that they witnessed this will being signed by the testator. As far as it does not automatically give you the right to take possession of the home and sell it. You'll have to ask the court for permission during the probate process to get permission to sell that house and distribute the assets.
All right, our next question from Katie on Facebook. Can VISD homeowners hold their school taxes hostage until Shagwa and the rest of the board steps down? What are our collective rights?
Oh, well, I don't have a dog in that fight. My kids don't attend Beaumont schools. Sounds like someone wants the permission to do a tax protest, but there's no legal defense for that. You can't just quit paying your taxes. Besides, most of your taxes are held out of your monthly mortgage statement anyway. You don't have a choice. But there's no legal defense to that. The taxing authorities are going to be able to exercise their authority to take your money anyway. So that's not going to be a good way to go with it.
All right, we'll try to get to our last question quickly. Colleen on Facebook asks, I have a 2012 Hyundai Sonata. I brought it new. It has been in the shop 19 times in 2 years. The steering is loose and it's out of control at speeds of 50. Would it be better to get a lawyer, or should she file for lemon law herself?
Now, since we're in a hurry, I'm going to say get a lawyer. Lemon law is kind of a toothless animal anyway. I would think that Hyundai might be able to resolve this. They've had their name on television now. They don't want that. But we could probably resolve it by getting somebody higher up at Hyundai involved. So give me a call and I'll see if I can help you.
All right, thanks so much.
Thank you.